Welcome to our new series, Taste versus Takeaway. I'm Kim Coverdale, and this is where I take a taste recipe and go head to head with takeaway. I'll be ordering the exact same recipe. I'll be cooking my version here at home while we wait for the takeaway version to come, and then we'll be finding out which one's faster, which one's of course tastier, which one's cheaper, and then which one's lighter on calories. And as usual, I've got the lovely Steph here, and she'll be sorting out all of the takeaway side of things while I'll be wrangling up the recipe.
So today's dish is a NYONYA chicken curry. There's a Malaysian place down the road that does a great little takeaway. So Kim, I think you've got your work cut out for you.
I definitely do, because I know how much you love your takeaway.
Yes.
And I guess the trick with the NYONYA curry is that it has to have that beautiful spicy kick, plus it's got to have the creamy coconut sauce as well, because you want to be able to dunk that beautiful roti into it. So hopefully, fingers crossed, mine is better than takeaway.
All right, Kim, so you know the drill. You can't start cooking until I order the takeaway. Are you ready?
All right, okay, I'm ready, I think.
All right, let's go.
All right, so first things first, with a speedy curry like this one, you want to get the ingredients ready to go. So today I'm just using a pre-made curry paste. It's a red one, and it's full of all the beautiful aromatics. So I'll measure that out, just a couple of tablespoons. And then I've got this beautiful tamarind puree. It's sweet, but then it's also got this really, really luscious kind of tangy taste to it. So that will bring another depth of flavour. Then I've also got these beautiful aromatics. So I've got a cinnamon stick, I've got some star anise, have a little sniff of that one, that's beautiful, nice and aniseed. I've also then got some ground turmeric and some sugar. And then the stinkiest ingredient of all is some shrimp paste. Okay, so I also need to prep the lemongrass, which I'll be bruising. You wanna get to that pressure point at the end where you can just cut through.
Okay.
Get rid of that bit, and then the same on the other end as well, because you can see this is quite tough. You take it just down there, just pop that, and then to bruise it, I just turn my knife over and just give it a few bashes.
Oh my God.
I know, it's a bit scary, but it's good, it's hands-on. And then you can also just give it a bit of a crack as well. So that means all that beautiful lemongrass flavour, the aroma is going to come out into the curry as well. So we'll pop that back with our other ingredients.
That's so easy.
I know. And then I've also got, these are one of my favourites, is just some curry leaves as well. And they smell beautiful.
Oh, yum.
And that's going to make the dish, I promise. I think I'm ready to start cooking. So can you just check and see how the takeaway's going?
It is preparing your order.
Okay, all right, I'll be quick. Okay, what we want to do is just pop that wok nice and hot. Now, this is the shrimp paste that I was talking about. It's super stinky. You just want to use about half a teaspoon. And then I've also just got my cinnamon stick and the star anise as well. Now, just with the shrimp paste, just kind of press that down. Okay, and it is dry frying as well, so there is no oil in this. Now also I've got the turmeric. Now that's going to give us that beautiful colour that the NYONYA curry has. And then pop in the curry paste. So just fry that off, and you can hear that nice sizzle, so that's cooking off those spices. Okay, so in goes the lemongrass. Also got the coconut cream. And then I've also got the curry leaves. One thing you don't want to do is burn that curry paste and that shrimp paste as well, because it'll give it a bit of a bitter flavour. And what I want to do is just let that simmer for about 7 minutes, and that's going to create that beautiful, lovely, rich flavour of the curry, and that sauce will just thicken up nicely. All right, Steph, so I'll put that aside. Can you tell me where the takeaway is?
Yes. It's still preparing your order.
Yes, okay, that's brilliant.
So Kim, I don't really make curries at home because I just think it's too hard. What am I getting wrong? Well,
this is perfect for you, because this is actually a 17-minute curry, and it's using a lot of bulk products. So obviously the curry paste, it's already made for you. You've got the tamarind as well. I don't think you're doing anything wrong at all. It's probably just, you need those flavour combinations as well. Plus, I don't know, the fun, have faith in yourself. What I need to do now is I've just got to add the meat. So this is the pre-sliced chicken, just to make it extra speedy. And then I've also got my tamarind puree as well for that sweetness, like I said, and that little bit of tang. And then for a little bit more sweetness, I've just got a tiny bit of caster sugar as well. That'll just balance nicely with that spice. So you can see that sauce has really thickened up now, and it's just starting to get a little bit darker in colour. So that should only take about 3 minutes, so I'll let it sit for a bit, but I'll just have to make sure that I do keep an eye on it. So Steph, don't distract me too much. Okay, so that's almost ready. So now I need to get started on the roti bread to serve with the curry.
Great. What is roti?
Okay, so roti is this beautiful flatbread. It's a Malaysian one. So what I need to do is just pan fry it off. You want it to get nice and crispy on the outside so it catches that delicious curry sauce. So I normally cook mine in a dry pan. You can add a bit of oil if you want. Look at that, Steph, beautiful and charred.
Oh my God, that smells amazing.
All right, Steph, so can you tell me where the takeaway is? Because, you know, mine's cooking away.
It's still on its way. I think it's going to be ages.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
I don't know, let's kill some time.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, it's here.
It's about time.
Let me go get it.
Okay.
It's here.
Ooh, interesting. So with the curry, you want sauce, obviously. You want to get a bit of a kick of heat. You want that nice creamy coconut flavour as well to shine through. And you want that balance of flavour. So you want to make sure that there is that salty, bit of sweet, bit of acid as well. So this is the taste one.
Yum, it smells amazing in here.
It does, doesn't it?
Okay, which one should we try first?
I'm nervous. Let's go with mine first.
Okay.
Yes, there's a smile.
That's really good. That's really creamy.
Beautiful.
It's not too spicy. Find with too much curry, it's a bit too spicy at the back of my
Hits you?
throat.
Yeah.
This one's really, really tender. All right, should we try the takeaway version?
Let's do it.
So I can see just by looking at the plate, this sauce is a bit runnier than the taste version.
It is. It actually looks like it's quite oily. It's got a really deep colour. So I'm thinking that it might be a bit spicier than our one.
You're right.
It is.
That is quite spicy. It's definitely not as creamy as your version.
Not at all.
And I will say, this roti, the one that's from the takeaway store, it is quite flaky, which I like, compared to the store-bought one.
Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed with that. I mean, for time, definitely go the packet, but nothing beats fresh roti.
All right, so you ready to score?
Ready.
Let's have a look at the scorecard. What do you rate the taste version out of 5 stars?
I'm a bit biased, so what do you think?
Well, I mean, I really love the flavour. I love the creaminess. I will say, though, that the roti did let me down a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking maybe 4 stars.
I'm happy with 4. That's
All right,
good.
Great. And for the takeaway version?
I just think it was missing that, you know, a bit of creaminess to it. So I'm thinking 3, 4.
I think that's pretty fair.
Okay.
3 stars?
Yeah, 3 stars.
Great. And so I did some number crunching. So the taste version took around 17 minutes to make. The takeaway took 46 minutes to arrive.
Yes, it did.
That's a big difference. Cost-wise, the taste version was around $4.50 per serve, while the takeaway version was $15.45. And for calories, the taste version was 569 calories, while the takeaway version was just over 700 calories.
Okay.
So with all that being said, who wins? Taste versus takeaway?
Do I win? Tell me I win. I win.
I think Taste wins.
Yes. All right.
I'm really impressed. I really didn't think you could get so much flavour into a dish in such a short amount of time.
I know, it's really good, and I am amazed that I've actually managed to impress Steph of all people. So for this recipe and more, please just visit our website.
And if you have a dish that you want us to recreate on Taste First Takeaway, please let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.